Top of the morning to you. Alright, I'm seriously obligated to tell you I'm not Irish, but today, we're diving headfirst into the land of leprechauns, castles, and sheep who have absolutely no regard for your car. Welcome to Ireland, where the landscapes are greener than your ex's envy, the Guinness flows like holy water, and the weather, well, let's just say you'll need sunscreen, a raincoat, and probably a therapist by the end of the day. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate Ireland's charm, its crack, that's Irish for fun, and maybe even how to kiss the Blarney Stone without catching something suspicious. Grab your pint, your raincoat, and let's roll. Ireland's seasons are part of its charm. In spring, March to May, the countryside bursts to life, with lambs frolicking and flowers blooming like they're auditioning for a postcard. Summer, June to August, is festival season, with long days and lively outdoor celebrations. Autumn, September to November, turns the island into a golden masterpiece, with fewer tourists and cozy pub vibes. And then there's winter, December to February, when Ireland wraps itself in a misty, magical shroud, perfect for sipping whiskey by a roaring fire while imagining yourself in a gothic novel. Grab your raincoat, you'll need it, your sense of humor, you'll need that too, and get ready to explore the land of myths, music, and some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet. Let's start in Dublin, Ireland's lively capital, where every cobblestone street feels like it has a story to tell. And most of those stories involve a pint of Guinness. Begin your Dublin adventure at the Guinness Storehouse, where you'll learn how this world-famous beer is brewed before enjoying a pint in the Gravity Bar, which offers panoramic views of the city. Stumble out, gracefully of course, and head to Trinity College to see the Book of Kells, an illuminated manuscript so intricate it'll make your doodles on office memos look embarrassing. Stroll through Grafton Street where buskers, that's street performers for the uninitiated, play music so good you'll want to toss them your wallet. And no trip to Dublin is complete without a stop at Temple Bar, the city's iconic nightlife district, where the pubs are as colorful as the characters you'll meet inside. Next, head west to Galway, a city so vibrant and artsy it feels like stepping into a live folk song. Wander the winding streets of the Latin Quarter, where every corner seems to have a busker playing the fiddle or an artist painting the landscape. Treat yourself to fresh seafood chowder at a seaside cafe, and if you're lucky, catch a traditional Irish session in one of Galway's cozy pubs. It's like a live concert but with more Guinness and fewer rules. Cliffs of Moher. From Galway it's just a hop, skip, and a scenic drive to the Cliffs of Moher, Ireland's dramatic answer to a postcard. These towering cliffs are so stunning they've starred in movies. Yes, Harry Potter fans, it's those cliffs. Bring a jacket. It's windy enough to make even the bravest seagull reconsider its life choices. And be prepared for views so breathtaking, they'll make you consider poetry as a career. County Kerry. For a taste of Ireland's rugged beauty, head to County Kerry and drive the Ring of Kerry, a 179-kilometer loop of jaw-dropping scenery. Picture rolling green hills, sheep that don't seem to care about traffic laws, and villages where time seems to have stopped. Stop by Blarney National Park, where you can hike, bike, or just sit by a lake and wonder why you don't live here already. Blarney Castle. If castles are your thing, and let's face it, who doesn't love a good castle? Ireland has you covered. Start with Blarney Castle, where you can kiss the famous Blarney Stone to gain the gift of eloquence, or at least a good excuse to hang upside down. Then there's Ashford Castle, a luxurious fortress-turned-hotel where you can live out your royal fantasies, complete with falconry lessons and afternoon tea. Hungry? Irish food is like a warm hug from your nan. Start with a traditional Irish breakfast, which includes sausages, bacon, black and white pudding, eggs, and enough toast to build a small house. For lunch or dinner, try Irish stew, a hearty mix of lamb, potatoes, and vegetables, boxty, a potato pancake that tastes like happiness, or seafood chowder so fresh it practically swims to your table. And don't forget dessert. Bailey's cheesecake, anyone? Wash it all down with a pint of Guinness, a glass of whiskey, or if you're feeling fancy, some Irish cream liqueur. As your Irish adventure winds down, you'll realize that this isn't just a trip, it's a love affair with a country that feels like a storybook come to life. Whether you're hiking in Connemara, where the landscape is so ruggedly beautiful, it might make you cry, or exploring the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland, with its bizarre hexagonal rocks that seem more alien than earthly, Ireland has a way of sticking with you. For history buffs, visit Newgrange, a prehistoric monument older than the pyramids, or wander the ruins of Rock of Cashel, where ancient kings once ruled. If you're feeling adventurous, take a ferry to the Aran Islands, where locals still speak Irish, and the pace of life is so slow you'll wonder why you ever rushed anywhere. Practical tips: bring layers. Seriously, the weather changes faster than your Spotify playlist. Rent a car if you can handle driving on the left side of the road, and learn a few Irish phrases like slaint, cheers, and crack agus siol, fun and music. The locals will appreciate your effort even if your accent makes them giggle. Seven-day itinerary. Here's a perfect week-long itinerary to help you soak in all the magic Ireland has to offer. Start your journey on day 1 by arriving in Dublin and immersing yourself in the city's vibrant culture. Visit iconic spots like the Guinness Storehouse, Trinity College, and the lively Temple Bar District. On day 2, take a day trip to Howth, a charming coastal town known for its scenic walks and the best fish and chips you'll ever taste. For day 3, travel to Galway, where you can explore the Latin Quarter and revel in the city's artsy and bohemian vibes. Day 4 is perfect for nature lovers, with a visit to the breathtaking cliffs of Moher and the unique, otherworldly landscape of the Burren. On day 5, embark on a scenic drive along the Ring of Kerry, making sure to stop at Blarney National Park before ending the day in a cozy pub. Day 6 takes you to Cork, where you can kiss the famous Blarney Stone and wander through the city's colorful streets, filled with charm. Finally, conclude your adventure on day 7 in Belfast, where you can delve into the city's history with a visit to Titanic Belfast and a fascinating black cab tour. This itinerary ensures a perfect blend of culture, nature, and history for an unforgettable week in Ireland. And that, my friends, is Ireland. A land of epic views, legendary pubs, and more castles than you can shake a shepherd's crook at. I've hiked the cliffs, kissed the stone, and eaten more potatoes than should be humanly possible. My waistline may never recover, but my soul, oh, it's living its best Celtic life. Ireland isn't just a place, it's a feeling. You'll leave with a suitcase full of wool sweaters, a camera roll full of jaw-dropping landscapes, and a heart full of stories. Whether you're singing along in a pub, standing atop windswept cliffs, or simply enjoying the quiet beauty of the countryside, Ireland promises an adventure you'll never forget. If you've enjoyed this Irish adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss the next chapter in my quest to eat, drink, and awkwardly mispronounce my way across the world. Until next time, Slainte, and may your road rise to meet you.